Man, that was such a freaking cool bite. Yo, what is up, guys? I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. It is cold as hell. I swear they invented teleportation overnight, because this does not feel like warm Florida. I woke up this morning to about, I think it was 42 degrees, so I even had to get out the emergency American Carp Society beanie in my bag, and we are out on the water. Well, obviously, it's extremely cold. I'm assuming things are going to be pretty slow in the morning, and then hopefully as the day progresses, we'll get a little bit of heat on the water, and then things will start getting a bit more active. I'm going to assume redfish, trout today. I don't think we're going to get any snook or anything, just because it's so freaking cold. Those snook are going to be so lethargic, they're not going to want to do anything. I'm going to quit blabbering. I'm going to idle into my first spot here, and hopefully get on to a couple of fish here pretty soon. I'll catch you guys out there. A little bit of trout. Pretty fish. He is not happy. Normally I would have net him, but I've lightened up my my leader to 15 pound. Here he is. Very nice way to start the morning. Oh, there's another red. There he is. Another stunning fish. Alrighty guys, so made a decent sized move. This is where I've really wanted to fish all day, a little bit ahead of where I want to fish. I just want to work some new water as well. Haven't been here in a very long time. I've had really good success here. A lot of redfish, specks, and black drum like to push up on a lot of these flats I'll be fishing. Hopefully going to be a lot of sight fishing, which to me is always super exhilarating. And yeah, maybe a big fish or two. There he is, finally. Again, technically I wouldn't net this size fish, but I did line my leader to 15 pounds, so it's been a struggle bus. There he is, stunning fish. Alrighty. Yeah, there's a school of 3 of them. Just cruising, 2 of them spooked, and that 3rd one decided to take a little nibble. It wasn't the big one, but at least it's a bite. There he is. And these drum have been black drum have been elusive today so far. I do always think it's really cool when they still have their little paw marks. There's a stunning fish. Alright guys, so with that lost rig, I'm gonna think that's a good ending point. Otherwise, I'm gonna just want to keep on staying. I want to still see my wife before the day is done. I got a lot of stuff to do before I get to hang out with her. So I'm glad we caught some fish. The past couple of weekends has been more exploratory, trying to figure out where I'm gonna target fishing, or target my campaign for fishing this winter season. I think that first spot where I started is where I saw the 2 biggest fish. I think next time when I come, I'll probably start there and fish that bank a little bit longer, because there was still a decent amount of shoreline that was still available to look. So next time I think I'll try that. Where we just finished off, I mean, it's a lot of fun. Saw a ton of fish, just couldn't get on a consistent bite. They just could see too well. I don't know, it's still a fun day nonetheless. Gorgeous conditions, enjoyed it extremely. So and that's really what it all goes about. So alright guys, well, if you made it to this part of the video, I appreciate the living heck out of you guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I will catch you guys in the next video.